Hello dear YouTubers and friends. Welcome to my channel SVIT Creations. This is your Rajendra Prasad, your chip level engineer. Today I am going to tell you new topic in computer tips and tips. How to troubleshoot hidden desktop icons in Windows 10. There are many ways to solve this problem, but I will tell you one simplest solution. Let's let begin. Sometimes icon can be hidden or will disappear from the desktop like shown in the video. Don't worry, I will tell you the correct solution. Follow these steps. Right click on a blank space on the desktop and select the view option. Then click on show desktop icons in the pop-up menu. This will show hidden icons on desktop clearly. Thank you and comment me if you face any problem. And please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.